Day 1 in Thailand. Ops. Hindi ito mima, pero share ko lang yung first day natin sa Bangkok, Thailand. Lumipad ako from Clark, which is probably the chillest IO experience ever para sa akin. Basta, I'll share another video of that. So, I landed in Swanabum at around 10 p.m. Thailand time and syempre expect to have more walking time than going through their IO kasi mabilis lang talagang processing nila dito. After I passed through their immigration and pick up my luggage, I went straight to find the true 5G kiosk for my data connection. I availed the 15-day unlimited data from Klook since it's cheaper than purchasing on-site. After that, I went down to the B floor to take the train or the airport railing that's super affordable, mabilis, at super reliable. Buti na lang open pa sila 30 minutes before midnight. Otherwise, mag-grab tayo going to the hotel na obviously mas mahal. Well, sana sa Pinas ganito rin. I booked my first and second night in Bangkok sa Nasa Hotel which is super near the Ramkhamhaeng Station. As in, tatawid ka lang talaga ng overpass. Grabe, pagod na pagod yung katawang lupa ko sa biyahe. So pagka-settle ko sa hotel, order ako agad ng food sa Grab. Dami kong gutom, promise. Ang sarap mag-order ng food sa Grab nila. Ang daming choices. Pero dito muna yung kwento. For more biyaherong gipit stories, follow for more.